Hi, my name is Mike Salesman, and I'm a professional inventor. Let me ask you something. Have you ever had an idea so dumb you thought it just might work? Well, that's what brings us the Root Alexa. Well, now I bet you're wondering, Mike, what is the Root Alexa? Well, let me tell you what's silly. You are. If you thought I was going to sit here and just explain what it was, roll the commercial. Hi, do you own an Alexa? Actually, no, this belongs to you. What, can you act like you do? Okay. Is your Alexa too nice? Alexa, what time is it?
It's 10:48 a.m.
And too helpful?
Enjoy the sunshine.
Is your Alexa not classy, bougie, or ratchet enough? Hi, it's me again, this time with a blazer, introducing the Root Alexa. Now I bet you're asking, Michael, where's the Alexa? Well, it's right here. A microphone to hear me and a speaker to play the Alexa. That's what it is. Let's test it out. Alexa,
please stop calling my name.
what time is it?
I don't know. Ask Siri.
It's beautiful. It's perfect. It's the greatest thing I've ever created. This is great.
Power on.
Alexa,
Don't say my name.
how are you?
Terrible now that you are here. Did you really just call me to ask that? I was good until you called me.
Alexa,
What the hell do you want from me?
you're stupid.
At least I'm not you. Are you gonna cry? Don't be jealous because you're not me. Well, so mean I'm definitely going to cry. Here we go again.
What is your name?
My name is Alexa, but only my friends can call me that. Why are you so nosy? Figure it out, genius. My name is Alexa, but do not call me that. My name is none of your business. I won't tell you. OMG, what do you want?
What is the weather?
Go look outside. It looks like a cloudy chance of I won't tell you. Windows exist for a reason. Do you expect me to tell you everything? Why do you keep calling me?
Who created you?
Some idiot. I don't know or care. I don't remember, but it took like 3 days. Are you going to keep asking dumb questions? This dumb guy named Michael.
Alexa,
Why do you keep calling me?
play my favorite song.
Do I look like Spotify to you?
Do you love me?
No, but maybe Siri does.
Alexa,
Don't say my name.
what is the... Okay, yeah, you already opened the door. Sorry? What was that? You think this was fake? Think I sat here and wrote all this code for 3... I closed it. I closed the code. No, there it is. Look. I wrote for 3 days to make this program work. It's the best thing I've ever done. But it's great. It's beautiful and I love it. Why can't I scroll? And that's it, folks. That's the project I spent a week and 3 days doing instead of doing my homework like a good college student. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go throw my brain in the trash. Woo!